So yeah, I'm making this archive. You know what? Let me clean my background for a second. You can tell I'm not very clean guy. I like to keep my stuff organized, but my parents just come to my room and just fuck it up. For no fucking reason. I'm not complaining, and some of this mess is mine too. I'm just not ignoring that. But I'm also trying to say that all of it is not due to me. It sounds due to my parents. Yeah, back to cleaning. Sorry guys, I'm making you wait, but yeah, this has to be done right now, not another minute or another second. Right now. So yeah, I'm back. Hmm. So I just did this lighting today. I just got this lamp, like this lamp. See this lamp? Yeah, I got this lamp and I just fixed it up here for lighting. That's the method I'm showing. That shows the seriousness of my archive that I'm building right now. So yeah, to the point. I'm being fucked, like been in situations from last 3 years, like continuously, without any break, like this situation, this situation, this situation. So the thing I learned from it is either you can cry at your problems like a little bitch, or you can identify the problem and solve it. Like, I will repeat it. Either you can whine like a little bitch at your situation, or you can identify the problem and solve it. You know what? The second option is the best. It's a real solution. Like crying at your problems, or sorry, at your situations won't solve it, because you don't even know your problem. So yeah, here's the framework. What you need to do is you first have to identify the problem and then you have to solve it. Sorry, I'm not even making the eye contact at the camera. So yeah, at you, like you, I'm talking to you. So first you have to identify the problem and then solve it. You know what happens after that? The problem is solved. Your pain is elevated. Yeah, that's the thing I learned from my situations that happened with me in last 3 years. I was just, driving today, around the city and was thinking, like, what's the thing I learned from this, mess that I made or that came at me. But I'm really proud from it, from the way I solve my situations. Yeah. So before wrapping this video up for my archive, I'm gonna wrap up with this framework. So if you are in really bad situation, what you have to do is identify the problem. You gotta ask the question, what problem I am in. When you answer the question, you have to solve it. And then second thing you have to do is how I can solve it. And after solving the problem, you have done. You are better off. Number one, identify the problem. Number two, solve it. I repeat, identify the problem, solve it. That's it. Yeah, that's for the today. I'm gonna try to make one video a week or two for my archive. That's pretty much. Hallelujah, guys. Bye bye. What the fuck I did that? I should have done that. Guys, but here's some muscle update. Armpit. That's a muscle update. Bye bye.